Hi guys, and today I'm gonna be filming my bedroom ceiling fan. It's a Harbor Breeze Pulsar or Pulsar. I don't know how to pronounce it. First, I'm gonna demonstrate it on high. I know it's missing a blade, and someone took the case off. The case, it has the same case that my sister's bedroom ceiling fan has, and it's the same fan. It's just the case is taken off. I don't know who took it off. Now I'm gonna turn it to medium. Actually, I think it's this one. Yeah, it's that one. This is the light right here. Now it's on medium. And now I'm gonna turn it on low. Now I'm gonna turn it off. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is the ceiling fan in my bedroom.